In this video, we'll cover how university administrators are able to enable Turnitin with Perusall. First, your institution must have an active subscription to Turnitin. If that is the case, you are able to integrate the software into Perusall courses so that instructors are more easily able to check students' comments for originality. To integrate Turnitin, the university administrator will need to access Perusall's institutional dashboard. To gain this access, send an email to support@perusall.com with a link to an institutional webpage that shows your name, email, address, and title and affiliation. Once the support team has confirmed your request, you'll see an institutional dashboard option appear on your Perusall homepage. Click on the institutional dashboard button and then select Settings on the left side of your screen. From here, you can select the Turnitin integration. When integrating, you will need two pieces of information: a Turnitin URL and a Turnitin API key. The URL takes the format of this example. Next, you will need to generate a Turnitin API key. Fortunately, we have a hyperlinked resource for you to click underneath this section. This will guide you through the process of generating an API key. After you handle the API key and URL, you can click the drop-down for index options. This setting determines whether the submitted assignments, for example, the contents of comments students submit, will be available to be matched against in future similarity reports by instructors at your institution. Lastly, you can decide whether to enable source text visibility and institution match detail visibility settings. The source text visibility settings allows instructors with matching sources within the same institution to view the full text of the original submission. Additionally, the institution match detail visibility setting allows instructors of matching sources within the same institution to view basic details about the original submission and the person who submitted the file. This includes class details, their name, and submission dates. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this video, and we hope this helps.